Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Budi Wireless Charger and preparing the phone. This matters because stable power avoids slow charge or disconnects. Plug the supplied USB-C cable into a PD adapter rated at least 18W, then into the charger. Make sure the LED indicator lights. Once done, set the charger on a flat, non-metal surface and remove cases thicker than 3 mm because alignment and distance affect coil coupling and charging efficiency. Now align your phone precisely over the Budi pad so the phone's wireless charging coil sits above the charger coil. This ensures efficient energy transfer. Make sure to remove metal attachments, magnetic mounts, or thick battery cases that disrupt coupling. Once positioned, the LED will show a steady light when charging. If it blinks, the charger may be misaligned or overheated. Adjust placement slightly until the indicator stabilizes, because small shifts can change charging current significantly. Finish by letting your device charge undisturbed until it reaches the level you want. Heavy phone use creates heat, which throttles charging. If charging fails, first make sure the adapter and cable deliver PD power. Swap them to isolate the fault. Once done, try another phone to confirm the charger. If it still won't charge, unplug the unit for 10 seconds and reconnect, because a simple reset often clears faults. If problems persist, contact Budi Support for warranty help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.